Welcome guys. In this video, I will be showing you the method to get the official PUBG PC version for free. And right now, I am doing this in Windows 10, but this will work on all the versions. So, without wasting any more time, let's go for it. At first, simply open your browser and head to this website. I will provide the link also in the description. So now, hit on play the game. Now, just download the Steam. If you are already having it, simply click on yes, Steam is installed. If not, then click on no, I need Steam. Now, from here, just download and install Steam. And if you want to know how I set this animated wallpaper, you can check out this video. The link is in the description. Now, just create an account. And now, just verify your email by clicking on the link sent by Steam. Now here, simply set your name and password. And here, fill your name and password you just created. And after doing all these things, head to the same website. And now click on yes, Steam is installed. Here click on next, and the installation of the game will begin. And after installing, just restart your PC. And now after installing, simply open the game. And for the first time, it might take a little longer to start. And now, let's test the game. And the minimum requirements are on your screen. Make sure to follow these. So, that's it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe.